Hi guys, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to install a sound bar on our 65-inch TV. Let's get started. So I've wanted a sound bar on my TV for quite a while. The sound from this TV is it's okay, but it's not that great. So what I ended up with is a Polk Signa 2 is the brand name of the sound bar that I bought. And it comes with a wireless subwoofer and of course the sound bar and a remote control. So I really like the idea of a wireless subwoofer. You can put this any place in your room with your TV. As long as you have a plug, you just plug it up, and the signal from the sound bar itself will go to the subwoofer wirelessly. Now this comes in the package with the sound bar itself, the wireless subwoofer, the remote control, and a battery for the remote control, which that doesn't happen very often. Most of the time you have to supply your own batteries. Plug in for the subwoofer. This is an HDMI ARC connection. You can connect over HDMI from your TV to your soundbar. And one of my connections on my TV is an ARC connection, so we're going to use that. Also comes with an optical connector. This TV does have optical, but I'm going to use the HDMI connection. And of course the plug-in for the soundbar itself. Has a lot of paperwork, a quick start guide, some other stuff, safety instructions. It comes with a template that you can use to mount it to the wall. I do have mine on this mount, which allows it to pull out from the wall. And I have another video installing this mount, so check that out if you're interested. I'll put a link to it. So we do have this fake fireplace, and I'm going to set mine on top of the fake fireplace. And I'll run the cables down this plastic wire holder that I installed back here for the wires from the TV, so you won't be able to see those. I'm going to put my subwoofer across the room in this corner over here. Alright, so I'm going to give you a sound test before and a sound test after. This is just something I found on YouTube for testing sound bars. So this is before. Apologize for the glare. Alright, so that's a before test of the sound, and we'll go ahead and install the sound bar, and then we'll see what it sounds like after we get it hooked up. So some have asked what model TV this is. This is a Samsung UN65 NU6900F. And I bought this TV from Walmart. Alright, so we got it hooked up. A couple things I do want to note. The cables that come with it are a little short. They're too short for me to run them through my cable holder on the wall, so I'm going to have to get a longer HDMI cable. Also, I just realized that this has Bluetooth, so you can use it as a stereo. You can connect your phone to it and play music from your phone or any other Bluetooth device you have. Alright, here we go. You guys are going to hear it the first time the same as me. So I'm going to turn it on. See some lights on the front. Now let's push play on the TV. Wow. What a huge difference. Turn it down just a little bit to try to match the sound with, let's see what we got here. Turn the soundbar off. Does it have a mute? Yes, it has a mute. There's just the TV by itself. And this will be with the soundbar. Sounds really, really good. A couple things about the remote here. The remote has a mute button, a TV button, an auxiliary button, and it has a bass up and down control, volume up and down control, and then it has several modes you can put it in. Cinema, and also has a night mode that reduces the bass so you don't keep your neighbors up, and then a music mode. And then these bottom buttons are your voice adjust. If you have shows where you're having a hard time hearing the voice, you can turn this up or down. It has 3 different settings that bring out the frequencies specific to vocals so that you can hear the voice a little better. All right, there you have it, guys. That's the installation of the Polk Signa S2 soundbar on my 65-inch Samsung TV. If you like the video, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell icon. If you ring the bell icon, you'll get a notification every time I put out a new video. Thanks, guys, and see you later.